Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so you can start immediately. Check your device OS and ensure you have admin rights. This avoids interruptions during install. Next, pick a VPN provider that supports the protocol you prefer: OpenVPN, IKEV2, or WireGuard, because protocol choice affects speed and security. Once chosen, create an account with email and payment details. Keep promo codes handy. After sign-up, download the provider's official client for your OS, so you're ready for configuration. You now install and configure the VPN client step by step. Run the installer, grant permissions or kernel extensions when prompted, and open the app. Delayed permissions break service. Then select your protocol, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility, and either import open files or pick a server from the built-in list so routing is correct. Configure core protections. Enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection, and set split tunneling if you want local traffic to bypass the VPN. Save set. You finish by connecting and validating the tunnel. Click Connect to your chosen server and watch the status until it shows secure. Note connection latency. Once connected, verify your external IP and DNS to confirm traffic routes through the VPN and run a speed test to ensure acceptable performance. If everything works, enable auto start and save credentials for convenience. If you can't connect, restart your network adapter, toggle protocol, e.g., switch to OpenVPN, and contact support with logs as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.